Install the wheels. The device includes 2 spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to gently pry open the fuse holder, and then replace the broken fuse with one of the spare fuses. Install the filter. There are 4 small sealing rubber rings on the connection pins, and when unscrewing the filter, you will find another 2 larger rubber rings on the bottleneck. You can replace any of these rings with the spare ones provided in the accessory bag in case of damage. Attach the supportive rods and remove the caps. Mount the handle holder onto the rods and reattach the caps to secure it. Install the laser pad holders. Connect the face RF handle. Connect the body RF handle. Connect the vacuum RF handle. Install the BIO handle. Connect the 40K and RF handle. Attach the laser pad cords to the main unit and laser pads. Place all connected handles into the handle holder in order. To replace the cotton filter on the suction hole of the vacuum and RF handle, remove the plug from the suction hole. Insert the filter, and then put the plug back. The filter needs to be replaced regularly. Connect the power cord. Then turn on the red power switch at the back and the white main switch at the front of the main unit. Choose BIO on the screen. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Press the start, pause button to initiate the process. Choose face RF on the screen. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Press the start, pause button to initiate the process. Choose body RF on the screen. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. Energy level, 3. Press the start, pause button to initiate the process. Choose 40K and RF on the screen. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. RF energy level, 3. 40K energy level, 3. 40K mode, M1. Press the start, pause button to initiate the process. Choose body vacuum and RF on the screen. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. RF energy level, 3. Suction time, 5. Release duration, 2. Press the start, pause button to initiate the process. The suction duration should exceed the release time. Adjust the suction intensity based on individual tolerance levels. Choose Lipo laser on the screen. Settings. Time, 20 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Press the Start, Pause button to initiate the process. Power off the device and unplug the power cable.